Hey guys, it's Ron Andrews from Dealer Inspire, and right now there are customers shopping for vehicles on your website and using the chat tool to get answers to the questions that they need to help them make a purchase decision. Those are questions like, is this vehicle still available? When will you be getting more in? And can I pre-order the exact vehicle that I want? These are the types of questions that you have answers to. And those answers can turn that inquiry into much more than just a lead. They can turn those shoppers into car deals. If, and it's a big if, you're answering your own chats. Now, our data shows that only 19% of car dealers are answering their own chats. Compare that to 100% of the phone calls that your team immediately answers as soon as the phone rings. So why is it that an inbound chat message isn't met with the same urgency and importance as an incoming phone call? Why does a person calling deserve to be greeted immediately, but the person who chats has to wait for someone to get back to them later? It's a disconnected and frustrating experience, and it's naive to think that the shopper is waiting patiently for somebody at your store to get back to them. More than likely, they're contacting your competitors, they're asking the exact same questions, hoping that they can instantly connect with someone who's going to give them a great experience, give them the answers that they need, and help them through the purchase process. So in my session, I'm going to show you how you can take your chat back and start answering your inbound messages from your shoppers. And those are going to result in higher quality sales and service opportunities. So by the end of this session, you're going to be able to identify and deploy a dedicated team of specialists that is going to allow you to answer all of those messages. It's going to help you replace outdated website forms with chat-based conversion experiences that drive more sales and service opportunities. And I'll help you implement a connected marketing strategy that leverages all of this great technology and helps you share your local dealer advantages and your core why-buy messages. All of that and so much more. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at NADA 2023, where together we're going to take chat back once and for all. I'll see you there.